How were the Endurance crew rescued? Imagine being stranded in one of the coldest, most remote parts of the world with no clear way out. That's exactly what happened to the crew of the ship Endurance during Ernest Shackleton's expedition. After the ship got caught in thick pack ice in the Weddell Sea, it was crushed and sank, leaving the crew stranded on floating ice. They camped on these icy platforms, waiting and hoping for rescue. Shackleton knew they couldn't stay there forever, so he made a bold decision. He and 5 others set out in a small, sturdy boat called the James Caird. This boat was about 22 feet long, designed to handle rough seas. The journey was extremely dangerous, crossing stormy waters south of Cape Horn, where waves could reach over 20 feet high. They navigated mostly by dead reckoning because the weather was often too foggy or snowy to see landmarks. After 17 days at sea, they finally reached the southern coast of South Georgia Island. But the island's rugged mountains made it impossible to reach the whaling stations on the coast directly. Shackleton and 2 men then crossed the island's icy, mountainous interior on foot, covering about 25 miles in harsh conditions. They reached the whaling station on the northern side, where they quickly organized rescue plans for the remaining crew on Elephant Island. Rescue efforts faced many setbacks. Heavy sea ice and bad weather kept ships from reaching Elephant Island. The first 3 rescue attempts failed, but the 4th ship, the Chilean vessel Yelcho, was able to arrive on August 30th, 1916, and rescue all 22 men left on the island. The rescue was quick to prevent the ice from trapping them again. This story shows how tough and resourceful the crew and Shackleton were. They relied on small boats, good navigation skills, and teamwork to survive. The rescue also highlights how international cooperation played a key role, with Chile lending the Yelcho for the final rescue mission. The entire rescue effort took several months, but it proved that even in the most extreme polar conditions, human perseverance and clever planning can save lives. It's a story of survival that continues to inspire those interested in polar history and scientific discoveries in icy regions.